Hello students, especially I have come live for board students, and today you all have I would like to update what happened today in Honorable Supreme Court regarding state board matter and CBSE matter. For CBSE matter, actually Advocate Vikas Singh sir, who is a very senior counsel, he pressed for a uniform decision that that ICSE is having a different assessment policy marking scheme, CBSE is having some different marking scheme. So we all press for uniform formula for all the boards, CISE board and CBSE. So that will be taken up tomorrow. What marking scheme Honorable Supreme Court approves, and later on whether the same will be applied uniformly for ICCA and other boards also or not. Now after that, as regards state board matter, for state board matter also, yeah, and for private candidate, private and compartment repeaters and other students also, same relief was pressed that even the students from the private candidates also should be evaluated based on that formula only, which the Honorable Supreme Court will approve. Now that also has been considered, that will be discussed and argued tomorrow. Now as regards state board, for state board also already every board has been included and in our PIL, and also Mamta madam has pressed for Karnataka 10th board, and for Kerala 11th there is another intervention application for Kerala 11th that also has been considered. And today the counsel from Kerala board, the lawyer who appeared on behalf of Kerala government, he requested for 1 week's time, but honorable judge he denied that no, we will not be giving any further adjournment, will not give such relief to adjourn the matter for 1 week, because we don't have time and we want to finish this matter as soon as possible. So even for Kerala also, Honorable Supreme Court has said by tomorrow you finalize whatever scheme or whatever decision you are going to take. And for other boards also, Punjab board, Assam has also informed, Advocate Senior Advocate Kohli sir appeared on behalf of Assam government, and from Assam government was Andhra Pradesh also. A counsel from Andhra Pradesh also appeared, and he said that they want to conduct exam. So Honorable Supreme Court directed them that tomorrow they will have to come and inform the court what all decision they are taking. So Andhra Pradesh has been considered, Kerala 11th has been considered, Karnataka 10th also has been considered, and direction has been issued to Karnataka government that for 10th board also, please please let us know what is your formula or what is your decision. As regards Tripura, counsel for Tripura has also appeared, and they also informed that we have cancelled the exam. Now we are pressing for uniform. Adgaonkar sir, who is representing our PIL, senior counsel Adgaonkar sir is there. He is representing our PIL, and he also pressed for uniform decision. And all the interveners are also pressing for uniform decision, that once the CBSE formula is decided and approved by Honorable Supreme Court, let the same be applicable for CISE board, for NIOS board, for state board also. That is what we are pressing in before Honorable Supreme Court. Now that will be decided tomorrow. Let's see what happens tomorrow. So now they have considered all the requests by all the petitioners, interveners pertaining to CBSE board, CBSE private candidates, compartment. They have also considered the request and intervention application and plea submitted on behalf of students from state boards, all the remaining state boards, that is Andhra Pradesh. Then they have also considered for Kerala 11th, Karnataka 10th. So everything has been considered, even NIOS also. So now for the matter has been deferred and adjourned till tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be hearing, and once the CBSE formula will be announced or will be declared and accepted by Honorable Supreme Court, we will press for a uniform decision tomorrow for all the state boards and other boards also, NIOS and NIS open, all the boards. And let's see what happens tomorrow, and so that students will get admission on time in universities. Because what is happening, some states are still under process. There are many other states who have not yet decided, they have not yet taken any call as regards the assessment scheme. They are still considering. Only Assam has declared, Punjab has declared, UP has declared their assessment policy, and West Bengal has declared, but all the policies are not uniform. So let's see what happens tomorrow, whether Honorable Supreme Court accepts our demand for a uniform formula in line with CBSE or not, for which we are pressing, and then accordingly direction most probably will be issued tomorrow. So let's see. Karnataka has been considered today, Mamta madam has pressed for Karnataka, and Adgaonkar sir has pressed for all the states. For private, Abhishek ji was there. Private candidates has been taken care. Karnataka SSLC board also, Honorable Court has directed that tomorrow they will have to come and appear. So nothing is now remaining. Rajasthan, every board now, Honorable Supreme Court has directed today that all the boards should should inform now what is their decision, what are the decision they are going to take for assessment of the students if they have cancelled the exams. So all the remaining private candidates also has been taken care. AP 10th also. AP 10th, 11th, 12th, Karnataka 10th, then you have Kerala 11th, then we have NIUS, private students, compartment, everything has been considered. Now tomorrow there will be an argument what all the Honorable Supreme Court is going to consider tomorrow. That we don't know, but most probably we are going to press, we all are going to press for a uniform decision. Even Vikas sir also, Vikas Singh sir, who is a senior counsel, he is also pressing for a uniform decision. So let's see, everyone is on same page, and what Honorable Court decides, that is up to them tomorrow. And NIUS also, NIUS was not discussed, but it is a part of state board. Honorable Court said that we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so they did not allow, only they said ki tomorrow we have adjourned the matter, so we are going to discuss this tomorrow. So NIUS and NIUS open board, everything will be discussed. And so that's all for now for all the state board. Now as regards CA students, we will be filing an application again for urgent listing, because today they have announced, they have released the admit card, CA students. So I'm discussing with Adgaonkar sir, and very soon we will be pressing for an urgent hearing for CA matter. Gujarat repeaters, everything has been included, students. So judge said we will listen it, we will hear you out tomorrow. So please have patience. NIOS and other private students, everyone, tomorrow Honorable Court is going to hear other pleas also. Now Andhra Pradesh council has appeared today, and he informed Honorable Court that they are planning to hold exam. So let's see what Honorable Court decides, because we are opposing any kind of physical exam, because every board has cancelled, every state has cancelled except Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka 10th and Kerala 11th. So I think there is no point in conducting exam only for one state. So I am very much sure that Honorable Supreme Court will definitely consider genuine request of all the students, and there will be a uniform decision. That's what I am expecting. Now as far as CA students are concerned, we are going to file an application immediately today. No, NIUS is also there. NIUS is a part of the PIL, don't worry. Abhi hearing start hua hai today, the second hearing was there, and tomorrow honorable judges, tomorrow 2 p.m. tomorrow at 2 p.m. there will be a detailed argument, everything will be there tomorrow, detailed hearing will be there. AP exams be cancelled, we are pressing for cancellation of all the exams. So only one state is left, so why will they conduct exam? There will be disparity, that is what we are pressing. Let there be a uniform decision. If Honorable Court directs that let the CBSE be implemented for all, then everyone will have to adopt that methodology. So we are also requesting that let there be a uniform decision for all the students across India because of pandemic. Okay, now CA students ka also final decision, AP and everything, beta tomorrow we have a hearing. Okay, so please wait, have patience. Today was a very good hearing. आज जो hearing हुई थी बहुत अच्छी थी. Karnataka 10th also has been pressed by Mamta madam, and that has been considered. आज जज ने कंसिडर किया 10th का भी. So don't worry, we all are working and सब अच्छे से आपके लिए प्रेस कर रहे हैं. Many other senior councils have also now are also now in our support. Kerala +1 also. Kerala +1 learned counsel from Kerala appeared today, and he sought 1 week's time. He requested for 1 week's time, but Honorable Supreme Court denied that no, we cannot give you 1 week's time, and you have to submit your reply by tomorrow. AP said that they are going to conduct hearing, so Honorable Judge said okay, tomorrow we are going to listen. So AP का भी कल सुनेंगे. Tomorrow, okay. Students repeater हैं या everything. Karnataka was not there today. For Karnataka, Honorable Court has directed that the Karnataka government should also come tomorrow and appear before the Honorable Court. That what decision they are going to take for 10th board. Okay, Gujarat, everything. So that's all for now for state board, and for CA also I am just updating that today we will be filing again. We will be mentioning for urgent listing of CA matter today. And Mamta madam and Abhishek sir will also explain, students. Everything they will explain, don't worry. Or everything has been considered today. And CA matter, I am just updating that we will be filing an application again today for urgent listing of the case. Thank you, students.